example, yeah, we are traditional worshippers for we. Alumine Fejere, he who has water at home and beats with blood. We worship the god of iron, that's Ogun. We worship the god of thunder, that's we sacrifice dogs, the god of iron. As a visitor, you cannot swim in certain rivers. There are sacrifices that must be done on your behalf to the river before you swim. When the women bring the roots, they don't talk. Okay, I am Ajayi Victor Oluwabumi, but people call me OZ or Big OZ. I am Yoruba from Ondo State, Nigeria, Akoko Northwest Local Government area.
How did your people originate? What are the origin of them?
My people were originally from the States.
Okay.
But land disputes, kingship, this one wants to be king, that one wants to be king, led to separation. So our ancestor now picked his family and people and left and settled in present day Ondo State.
What are some kind of traditional practices that you guys normally do?
Example, yeah, we are traditional worshippers originally. From inception, we are traditional worshippers. We have our do's and don'ts. Though because of modernization and all these things, I don't really know in depth of the practices. But what I know is we worship the god of iron, that's Ogun. We worship the god of thunder. Then there's a festival we hold yearly where I come from. It's called Oyere Festival. But Yoruba, they will tell you Afelo Boyere, that is, we want to go and worship Oyere. So it's in my family, it's like the highlight of the year. It's like our Christmas. So we do it constantly. And this display involves masquerade, which family members do. Now we carry our masquerade. When we say we call outsider, now we carry our masquerade. Yes.
When I get masquerade, where in Gudidi, it is not for shrine. I mean,
we, the sons of the house, are the masquerade carriers. So if I was in the village originally, I am supposed to represent my family, being a son from the house. So yes, but the highlight sometimes is you see this Ogun worshiping. That's why they tell you Ondo people eat dog. But not all parts, because me, I don't. Maybe it's because I didn't grow up there. It's because we sacrifice dogs to the god of iron. The appellation of Ogun now is Ogun Alumine Fejere, he who has water at home and beats with blood. Olashole Fimokimobura, he has clothes at home but clothes himself in lemongrass, in grasses. That's like the god of iron. So he's like the protector for hunters. So that's why even soldiers from Yoruba land, you see, they worship Ogun. Even when they use gun, they call it Ogun. They refer to gun as Ogun because it's iron. These are his properties. Like Shango, the god of thunder, Okoya, the husband of Oya, things like that. And the festival is quite colorful because it goes to competition. Family competes with family. Each son with his house. You challenge the others. You do things. It's fun because sometimes we don't see ourselves for the whole year. It's just this one time we see ourselves. So now usually we do these things between November, December, so it's close to Christmas. So when we are going home, we just it's a continuous celebration like that.
Competition, they're competing with other families. Is it in form of fight? Are you fighting each other?
We do the normal local wrestling. We do the local wrestling. We do games. We do all these horse racing and the things like that. All those things. And you asked the question about do's and don'ts. Yeah.
Yes.
I say, let me use my house as an example. There's something in the middle, like a mortar. Women are not supposed to sit on it. It causes miscarriage or infertility, something like that. I still need to even confirm that. Then other things about the culture is there are times you do not swim in certain rivers. As a visitor, you cannot swim in certain rivers. Yes, not even at a particular time at all. There are sacrifices that must be done on your behalf to the river before you swim. There is a soup prepared that I know from my family. I don't know if other parts do it, but I know my mom does it very well. My grandma does it very well. We call it Obe Ogun. Ogun, literally means medicine, soup of medicine. Now,
it's Ogun and Ogun
are different. Yoruba is funny. A word can mean a million things. So that soup, it's basically made with herbs and barks of trees and roots. That's what you used to prepare the soup. Now, the funny thing is, when the women grind the roots,
Yeah.
they don't talk.
That's how it's supposed to be.
You don't talk if you want your soup to be sweet.
Eh.
It don't happen. I tell my mama why she no talk. She talk. Mama, we no fit chop that. It bitter.
Are you for real?
Like you just dey open your mouth say one word, even if it's
Yeah.
just keep quiet. Finish completely. Like wash plus the grinding stone and everything, then you know you are done.
Okay.
And then you can talk. But at the beginning stage, do not utter a word till you are done. That's like one of you see that's a funny thing. Like even today, even we that are modernized and Christians from that part, we obey that rule because we know it works.
Yes.
We have seen it happen. Me personally, I have seen it happen.
Yeah.
You don't talk when you make that soup. And funny enough, that soup, you don't give it to newborns. And you do not give it to, I think, pregnant women too. Because it literally translates to soup of medicine. It's like medicine.
What does it do?
That's how it cleanses your body system. It's like a cleanser.
Okay.
So you giving it to a pregnant woman is like you telling her to commit abortion. You giving it to a baby's system is not strong enough to handle it.
Okay. You are living in the north now.
Yeah.
You left west. So what would you see make us different, like from different tradition and people from different ethnic group? What makes us different?
Nothing makes us different actually.
Okay.
Number one, we are all human beings. We are all Nigerians. Let me even start from there.
Yeah.
Being a Nigerian, you are already one. Being a human being, humanity above anything else. Humanity above language, above tribe, above cultural differences, above religion. Humanity comes first. Even the culture, if you check, the same thing exists but in different names. You have God of Thunder in Yoruba, you have it in Hausa, you have it in Igbo. Even in Greek mythology, you have God of Thunder. So everywhere, these same people exist under different names. So it doesn't, there is no difference.
Maybe you can give like some shout outs, anybody you want to shout out to, your friends, your family, call them by name self, maybe 5 of them or something. Let's talk to them.
Well, basically, I would like to give a shout out to my mom, Lady Evangelist Sarah Ajayi, my Wonder Woman. I know I'm the stubborn child you have, but you love me regardless. I also want to give a shout out to my siblings, my big sisters, Shade, Dami, and Esther, my big brother Samson, my friends, my crew in the garden, all of them here. I want to give a shout out to them, to the love of my life. I love you.
Sharp, man.
Thank you for all you do. You are the best. Then I would also like to give a shout out to my best friend, Fatsaf Elijah Nathaniel Clocker.
Correct.
Don't worry, my bro. You did go places. We did together. Thank you, boss.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much.